Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I give pranam to the gurus, my gurus on YouTube channel, especially Vishal Malkans, from whom I have taken a training, and Mr. Sahu from King's Research. He is also a good, very good person or teacher. Okay, now let us see. Let us go through the my favorite stock equity in commodity is natural gas. I have put all these resistance line as per my convictions, and because I am doing it in intraday first. Before that, I will see in a month what is the monthly chart. So there's a good amount of resistance here at the top. Uh, 4.445 is was the last traded price in the month from where it retraced back. So let me see on a daily chart. Daily chart also it has retraced back here. So it is taking resistance at 445.445 dollar, $4.445. So I was just thinking, because I'm doing intraday, where to take entry and when to take entry, and that's also. Let me see on basis of RSI. What is the RSI for a daily pattern? Daily pattern is 62. Hourly pattern is 46. 30 minutes pattern is time frame is 43, and 15 minutes time frame is 43. So that is the structure of uh, that was the structure of RSI on last Friday. So Arun, it is still not a bearish, and neither it is even not a bullish. So Monday I have to be cautious and then try and see if the gas price touches on Monday somewhere at 4.394, it will be a good to buy put, because I am doing intraday. But if I want to go for a week, then put is the better option. But for that, different studies has to be done again. I have to go for a weekly channel here. Weekly. Okay. Weekly again. The time in weekly time frame also. It has retraced from the top as in monthly time frame I have seen. So obvious. It is obvious. So I have just calculated. I have not considered weekly and monthly average. So I have considered average of 47 from this for because it is intraday. So let me see in the Indian market what is happening. I am having little conviction that it should come down, because even there is a news that a Russian uh, gas is going to they are going to supply from Russia to Europe now. So uh, there will be building of inventories because of that maybe, and then probably the gas prices will come down. For Asia also it is beneficial. That is what Morgan Stanley report says in the news. But that will also affect US prices. So let me see what put. I think to Monday I will I will continuously look for the put opportunity for buying a put. But it will be still difficult because it is not a completely bearish. I don't know tomorrow, that is on Monday, if it broke it, if there is a gap down, then I have a chance. Okay, and similarly here I have calculated average RSI of different time frame is 54. So it is still bullish. So um, uh, it is difficult for going for a put, huh? Okay, that's it for now. I have to go out.